The INFINITI QX60 key fob battery is easily replaceable. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the case. Locate the seam on the key fob, usually on the back or side. Insert the tool into the notch and gently pry the two halves apart. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the battery orientation with positive side up. The QX60 typically uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, available at most stores or online. With the key fob open and the old battery removed, place the new CR232 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's seated properly to avoid short circuits. After inserting the new battery, snap the key fob case back together. Make sure the case is completely closed. Test the fob near your QX60 within 10 to 20 feet. Press the buttons to lock and unlock the doors. If the key fob doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it via the vehicle's settings menu. Remember to recycle your old batteries at designated recycling centers, as lithium batteries are hazardous waste.